Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about our Python mini course that we are just launched. Here we have the basic Python algorithms that are there. So we all know that Python is a tool that is being used by almost every developer and specifically for the data scientists. Hence, what we have done in our academy, we have given a free access to our mini course to everyone out there. And here we will go through the basic things that are required in our Python specifically for data and programming. We need to know the basic Python. So now coming to basic Python, what are the things that are required? We have to know about the data types like integer, floats, strings, and the different types that are there. Then we need to know about the data structures like list, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. After that, we get into control flow statements like if, else, for loop, while loop. And the best part of about this particular challenge, I am not going into a lot of details about too technical things, but there are various challenges in each sections that are there, which I will just quickly do my screen share and share with you guys. So this introduction video is a base for you to start using this program, complete the lessons that are there, do the challenges, and then get your certificate that is accredited by Decoding Data Science. And the best part about this is the challenges are designed in a way that is going to help you understand the concepts. So once you are done with control flow, then we go into functions. The functions are the major part of Python. They are the block that can do repetitive tasks. So in a function, we are going to use all the learnings from the data type, data structures, and the control flow, the if-else statement that repeats according to a condition, into a function which can do various stuffs. It can do automate few tasks, repetitive tasks. Function is a very important part in Python. There are various types of, you can say, customized functions that we are also going to discuss, like random, strings, lambda, which in details will help you understand the importance of a function. Along the way, there are a lot of challenges that we are going to discuss. I'm also going to share you a few projects that are there, like Python calculator and EMI calculator. Read about the project, pause the video, try to do the project yourself, and then have a look at the solution. So this basic free mini course is going to give you a good details about Python. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment below and take this step by step. The document is made in such a way that we can directly understand, read it, and if you want to get the video recordings and the detailed explanation, or do you can take the complete course in the as well, the detailed course. And this is a good start for you to for people who are self-motivated to go through these codes themselves, research about this. But the main thing is, if you want the certificate, you need to be 80% and above. You need to complete everything and do all the challenges that are there. I will quickly share my screen to all of you guys, and then we can get started. So this is our academy platform. So you will be getting access to this particular thing. There is the basic integer and float. I will quickly talk about this. There are mainly 5 types of data types in details. Then there is a code here as well for you to practice this particular code. And after that, there is a direct link for every one of you to start doing the programming in Colab. So you can go to try it in Colab and you can start practicing the particular code. And then after you have read this particular thing, you feel you are okay with integer and float. You have practiced all the codes in Colab, like x is equal to 5, y is equal. So this is the way you start in the Colab notebook that is there. So let me just the first time the Colab notebook will run, you can always rename this to day 5 to day 1, save this particular code in a drive, and you can start using this. So x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3.15, and then x plus y. Then sum is equal to x plus y, print sum. So these are the type of integers that are there. Sum is 8.5, and if you want to see the type of the sum, if you add a integer and a float, it becomes a float. So this is a very basic way you can start the coding. All the code is given here one by one for Boolean, for strings, and then after this we have a challenge. So the challenge is very, very interesting. Go through the challenge, try it out in Colab. Once you're done, do mark as complete. And also, if you're not able to do, the solution is always there with you. So similarly for data structures, we have all the major data structures. We have control flow with all the different statements that are there. And then we have our favorite functions, the type of functions, what is variable and scope, global, local, what are the parameters, what are the default parameters, and all those things. Deals, the three ways to deal with functions. This is very, very interesting. Lambda, random, string, which I told you. And there are three major challenges in functions. When you are done with these challenges, you are comfortable enough to go ahead and do the understand the basic Python. And there are two projects that I have done in Project Challenge, that is creating your Python process simple calculator project. This is a project. You can look at the video, you can read about the description about this project video, and then you can try it on your own, and you can accordingly see the whole video. And similarly for the EMI calculator, this is also equated monthly installment, the loans that we take, how much is the rental monthly component that you need to give for that particular rent. So these few things are very, very important for us to understand the Python language, basic Python language. Then if you want to go in more details, and if you want to understand the video completely and go into a more information, if you need more hand holding, you can always get our detailed course that has all the videos recorded. This course will give you a basic understanding of the Python and will help you become a more you can say confident in Python. All the materials that are there are given with you. All the codes that are here is there with you. You can always practice this. And if there is anything that you want improvements, please use the comments to talk about it, to become to practice it and become more efficient in that. So thank you everyone for your time, and best of luck for your this course. And always remember, if you want the automated certificate, mark as complete. If you're 80% and above, you will be getting here. You can just do this, the challenges, and you can just there will be one assessment that will be added. You just do the assessment, and then there will be a option of get the certification here, and you will be able to get the certification. Any questions, do let us know in the community discussion or in the comments here. Me or my team will get in touch with you. So now let me just stop sharing and summarize whatever is happening here. We have given this basic structure is very important. Now, how are you going to take it further? The other roadmap is, there is a Python, advanced Python for developers, software developers, like more into object-oriented programming, more into building applications, and then the data science track, wherein it is more into uh, Pandas, NumPy, as well as Matplotlib. API is also an important part which we are going to discuss in our advanced Python, wherein how we can get API calls like weather data or ChatGPT type of projects. And this is the roadmap that is there. But this is a very important start that I wanted to give it out to the community, how you can start with Python, how you can get confident, how you can get this certificate. And then this basic Python certificate will be a stepping stone for you to be confident and take the second step into this particular data industry. So, or the software development industry, according to what you want. So thank you very much, and best of luck for the completing the course. Have a great day.